What's the meaning of chocaholic? Chocaholic. Chocaholic.
Chocaholic. Chocaholic. Chocaholic is a term used to describe someone who is addicted to chocolate. People who are chocaholics experience a strong desire for chocolate and may find themselves unable to resist eating it regularly, often in large quantities. This addiction can be due to the pleasurable chemical compounds found in chocolate, such as serotonin and phenylethylamine, that affect our mood and emotions. However, excessive consumption of chocolate can lead to negative health consequences such as weight gain and an increased risk of diabetes and heart disease.